Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you an amazing way to get a Shein promo code that adds $100 to your balance. As you can see, I already have $100 available, ready to spend on anything I want. I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it super simple to follow. Make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any important details. Get your device ready, and let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is open our browser regardless of which one we have. In my case, it's Safari, and go to the website snazzycoupons.com. It's a verified and safe site with various coupons and codes. We search Shein promo code, and when we succeed, we click on this. Various information appears to us, such as a description and user reviews. We see our code, which is still locked. To unlock the code, we click on Show Coupon Code. Then wait a second until the server loads the code for us and click Get Full Code. Before we unlock full code, we will be taken to the user verification page. This is a process we must perform to confirm that we are not a bot. But don't be afraid. This is a very fast and safe process. On the page, it says that we have to complete 2 to 3 free apps of offers of below to unlock our code. These are apps from the App Store or Google Play, depending on our system, where we have to download the app or complete any level. Under each offer, we have a detailed description of what we are to do. I have checked this before, and everything is safe and works very well. If you have trouble doing this, on the page above is a tutorial in which it is shown exactly how to do it. Once we have done the verification, we go back to the page, and as you can see, our coupon is ready and we will be shown our unlocked code. We then copy and paste in the designated place. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found this guide useful and everything worked for you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, drop a comment below and I'll gladly assist you. Thanks again, and take care.